Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston. I'm at the bow of a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Really excited about this boat. It's been a great seller. Starting with the front of the boat, which is a great lounge option. We've added the center cushion with a removable platform so you can take that out and make it a full walk around. One of the greatest features of this boat is that it has an automated windlass. We've got a stainless steel anchor there with controls at the helm so you can drop the anchor at the touch of a button. We've got drop down armrests here, and both of the storage compartments under the front seats have coolers built into them. They're insulated and they drain overboard. You'll see the standard Fusion speakers for this year, which is an upgrade. We've got a walk-through Windblock right here and some storage under the helm. We've optioned this boat with two different tables. One you can put in the bow, one you can put at the stern of the boat. We come over to the port side of the boat and you have the head compartment. We've optioned this boat with a full vacuum flush head. You can see the woven flooring in there as well. There's a light inside the head compartment and a sink with a freshwater rinse down as well. At the helm, you'll notice we've put the touchscreen SIMRAD display on this boat. Great display that has a chart plotter, GPS, fish finder, and all of your boat information will be in there, engine information. Brand new Fusion head unit for this year. This is a touchscreen display that Fusion just came out with. Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, etc. You'll notice the flip-up bolster for the driver so you can get a little higher when you're pulling a wakeboard or a tube and really just make sure that you have a safe, clear view. But also a really unique feature about the 270 SeaDek is the ability to turn these into full rear-facing loungers by sliding both of these seats back, and you open up this entire cockpit for space for the whole family. Under those two large seats, you've got big storage compartments under this seat here for the boat cover, etc. Maybe life jackets, tubes, ropes. You've got a built-in igloo cooler that Sea Ray put in for you under here, as well as a ski locker, which I'm standing on, that has plenty of room for a wakeboard, skis, even more life jackets, safety equipment, etc. We've optioned this boat with the upgraded motor from the standard, which is a 350 prop horsepower Mercury 6.2 liter. Really makes this boat a great running boat, close to 50 mile an hour performance. And then of course at the back of the boat as we come back, you've got another compartment here, a freshwater wash down, great for rinsing off feet and stuff when you come into the boat, keep everything clean on the cockpit, and then two loungers back here that you can pull up. They give you a natural rest for your legs and a flip down swim platform which sits right at the water line, makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. This is a 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX here at MarineMax. My name is Steven Smith. Come see us today.